I started out printing mostly on white t-shirts, and for a while, that seemed to be enough. But over time, I realized that I was missing out on a big part of the market. Customers began asking more and more for prints on black t-shirts, but without white ink, I couldn't deliver the vibrant, high-quality designs they wanted. It became clear that if I didn't adapt, I'd be leaving money on the table. Yes, white ink is challenging, whether you're using a DIY setup or a factory machine. It requires precise handling and regular maintenance to keep everything running smoothly. But I knew the potential benefits were worth it, so I decided to go for it. DTG allows for incredible detail, full-color designs, and now with white ink, it opens up even more possibilities on a wider range of garments. Whether it's a one-off custom order or a large batch, DTG continues to be an essential tool in the printing industry. You can't argue with the fact DTG is much more breathable and soft compared to other methods. A print feels almost like it's part of the shirt, rather than sitting on top of it. This makes the final product not only look great, but also comfortable to wear, which customers really appreciate. I've heard people say that DTG printing is dead, that it's been replaced by other methods. But that couldn't be further from the truth. The future of DTG is bright, and I'm excited to be part of it.